Getting more views on YouTube is not about tricking the algorithm. It's about making videos people actually click, watch, and want more of. But most beginners get this backwards. They think that more views comes from posting more videos, using trending sounds, stuffing keywords everywhere, copying viral trends, making long videos for watch time, and begging people to like and to subscribe. That is not the game. YouTube recommends videos based on how many viewers respond when your video is shown to them. So your job is not to beat the algorithm. Your job is to make the viewer choose your video, to stay with it, and feel like it was worth their time. So here's the simplest way to get more views on YouTube. Number one, make videos people are already looking for. Do not start with, what do I feel like talking about today? Start with this. What is my audience already trying to solve? So you need to understand their problem first. For example, how do I get coaching clients? How do I grow a school community? How do I create content as a beginner? How do I grow a Facebook group? How do I sell without jumping on sales calls? Because views start with relevance. If nobody is searching for it, curious about it, or struggling with it, the video has a harder job to do. Number two, you need to package the video better. Your title and your thumbnail are the front door to your video. If the topic is good, but the packaging is boring, people will scroll right past. So the title should make the value of the video obvious. Not my content thoughts, but how to create content that gets clients. That is going to get people to click, not school tips. How to grow a school community from scratch. That is going to get the click. Number three, you need to hook people fast. The first 10 to 30 seconds matter on a long form piece of content. Do not start with a long introduction, and definitely do not say, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Start with the problem that someone is experiencing. If your YouTube videos are getting no views, the problem is not the algorithm. It is your topic, your title, and the first 30 seconds. That is the hook that's going to bring people's attention. Number four is to keep people moving. So more views comes from better retention. That means keep people watching. Trim the fluff, remove the long introductions, use examples, break the idea into simple steps, say what matters, and move people to the next point before they get bored. So YouTube does not need you to make longer videos. It needs the viewers to stay satisfied. Next is to make one clear promise per video. Do not try to teach everything on one upload. A beginner mistake is making videos like this. How to start, grow, monetize, scale, automate, and retire from your coaching business. That is too much and too many problems all in one. You need to break it down into one clear promise. How to start a coaching business online. How to get your first coaching client. How to turn your content into sales calls. How to sell coaching without feeling pushy. These clear videos are easy to click and easy to watch. Next, create a content path, not random uploads. One good video should lead to the next one. If someone watches your video on starting a coaching business, the next natural videos could be how to pick your coaching niche, how to create your first coaching offer, how to get leads from coaching, how to get leads from your content, how to grow a Facebook group, how to sell through DMs. This is how you build a channel that people binge, because random videos create random views. So you want to create a clear path that creates momentum. Next, you want to study what's actually working on YouTube, and your analytics will tell you the truth. Look at what topics get impressions, what titles are getting the clicks, where are people dropping off, which videos are bringing subscribers, which videos lead to comments and conversations. So the simple answer is this. To get more views on YouTube, make videos your audience already wants. Package them with clear titles and thumbnails. Hook people fast, keep them watching, and build a channel around a clear content path. Do not chase the algorithm. Chase clarity. Because views come when the right person sees your content and immediately thinks, that is exactly what I need. That is exactly why I'm part of the one group operating system. We help coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, local business owners, and beginners create a simple system that works across platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, and school. So there's no guessing what to post, no random content treadmill, and definitely no going viral for the sake of it. Just a clean operating system for creating content that attracts the right people, builds trust, and leads them towards your offer. If you want help building a simple content system for your business that gets attention and turns it into buyers, comment group down below and I'll send you the details.